If you're losing hair and confidence at the same time, you're not alone. Hair loss affects millions, and it hits harder than most people admit. But what if I told you there's a way to fix it permanently? Welcome to Turkey, the hair transplant capital of the world. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to getting a hair transplant in Turkey. From techniques and pricing to what recovery looks like and how to choose a clinic. This is everything you need to know before booking that flight. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I help people take control of their health through affordable global medical care. Hit subscribe, let's dive in. 1. Why Turkey? Why everyone's coming here? Let's start with the obvious. Over 1 million people travel to Turkey every year for hair transplants. Not cosmetic surgery, not dentistry, hair transplants. Affordable prices, high-quality results, experienced specialists, state-of-the-art techniques, all-inclusive packages, beautiful recovery settings. And let's be honest, when you can get the same or better result for 70% less, it's hard to say no. 2. Hair transplant techniques in Turkey. There are 3 main techniques used in Turkey.
Fue follicular unit extraction. Most common.
Hair follicles are extracted one by one from the back of your head. No linear scar. Faster healing. Great for moderate to large hair loss. DHI direct hair implantation. Uses Choi pens for direct implantation. No need to create incisions first. More precise angle control. Ideal for smaller areas, especially the hairline.
Sapphire fue.
Same as FUE, but blades are made of sapphire. Smaller channels equals faster healing and denser results. Often marketed as premium FUE. Some clinics also offer combo methods like FUE for crown and DHI for hairline. Ask your clinic which one is best for your case, not just what they advertise. 3. Step by step, what happens during the procedure. Here's what your hair transplant journey in Turkey looks like. Day 1, arrival. Airport pickup. Check into hotel, usually included in the package. Meet your coordinator, receive next day schedule. Day 2, consultation and surgery. Doctor examines your hairline and donor area. Final plan drawn on your head. Blood test and blood pressure check. Local anesthesia, painless after the first 5 seconds. Extraction of grafts. Lunch break. Implantation of grafts. Whole process 6 to 8 hours. Day 3, post-op checkup. Bandages removed. Clinic washes your hair for the first time. You're shown how to wash and care for it yourself. You're given your aftercare kit. Shampoo, lotion, painkillers, antibiotics, sleeping pillow, written instructions. Day 4 to 10 healing phase. Scabs form then fall off naturally. Itching, slight swelling normal. No hats, no touching. Sleep with head elevated. 4. How many grafts will you need? This depends on your level of hair loss. Hair loss area. Hairline only. Hairline and temples. Crown only. Full front and crown. Advanced balding. Your donor area, usually the back of your head, determines how many healthy grafts are available. If you have weak donor density, some clinics use beard or chest hair as backup, called BHT, body hair transplant. 5. Price breakdown, what it costs in Turkey. Prices vary depending on graft number, clinic quality, surgeon versus technician. Location: Istanbul often costs more. Here's a general idea. Grafts, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 plus. All-inclusive packages usually include surgery, hotel 2 to 3 nights, transfers, translator, aftercare kit, PRP therapy optional. Compare that to the US, where 3,000 grafts cost $9,000 to $12,000. 6. What makes a good hair transplant clinic in Turkey? Named licensed surgeon, not hidden. Experience of 5,000 plus procedures. Specializes only in hair restoration. Clear before and after photos with same lighting. Offers video consultation before booking. Transparent pricing, no hidden costs. Operates in a hospital or licensed medical center. Uses single-use equipment. Reviews on Google, Trustpilot, Reddit, etc. Offers revision guarantee or touch-up policy. Avoid mega sessions without proper assessment. Clinics that rely only on technicians without surgeon supervision. Clinics offering unlimited grafts at suspiciously low prices. Poor lighting in before and after photos. No medical team shown on website. 7. What does recovery look like? Days 1 to 3. Mild swelling. Tender scalp. Avoid touching, sleeping on side or back only. Days 4 to 10. Scabbing, flaking. No heavy lifting, sweating, or smoking. Start gentle washing after clinic demonstrates how. Day 15 to 30. Shedding phase, shock loss. Most transplanted hairs fall out totally normal. Months 1 to 3. Waiting game, follicles are growing under the skin. May look unchanged or thinner. Months 4 to 6. Regrowth begins. Soft baby hairs appear. Density builds slowly. Months 6 to 12. Final results emerge. Hair thickens, strengthens, blends in. Month 12 plus. Full transformation. Haircuts, styling, confidence return. 8. Real stories, what patients say. James, 35, from New York. I paid $2,200 for 3,200 grafts. The doctor was present, the clinic was spotless, and I had my first real haircut in years. Just 10 months later. Sammy, 28, from London. I did DHI for the hairline. It's natural, dense, and no one can tell I had it done. And the whole trip cost less than a weekend in Paris. Matt, 41, from Toronto. I got 4,000 grafts using Sapphire FUE. I combined it with 3 nights in Cappadocia afterward. Honestly, the best thing I've ever done for myself. 9. What to ask before you book. Before paying a deposit, ask your clinic. Will a surgeon be present during the surgery? Are the grafts extracted by a licensed medical professional? What is your revision policy? Do you use micromotor or manual punch extraction? Can I see real before and after cases with similar hair loss? How many patients do you take per day? What's included in the price? Are there extras? And always get it in writing. 10. Bonus, can you combine it with vacation? Absolutely. Popular pairings. Istanbul for procedure recovery in Antalya Beach. Hairline plus mini Bosphorus tour. Clinic visit, short trip to Cappadocia for hot air balloons. Just don't overdo it in the first 5 days. Let your scalp heal, then enjoy the view. Final thoughts. Turkey isn't just an option for hair transplants. It's the global leader, and for good reason. If you want affordable prices, proven results, honest clinics, modern facilities, and a full recovery plan, then Turkey should be at the top of your list. Just do your homework, choose wisely, and give yourself the confidence you deserve. If you want my free hair transplant prep and recovery checklist, just comment hair plan below and I'll send it over. If this guide helped you, give it a like, share it with someone losing their hair and hope, and don't forget to subscribe, because next up we're talking about from surgery to spa, my medical journey in Turkey. It's a full wellness story, not just about looks, but about healing. Until then, take care of your hair, your health, and yourself.